I mean, I'm telling you right now, there's something right here. Old player and the cheater down Tampa, he ain't gonna have shit on this son bitch once it's ready to ride. I'm thinking it's gonna be tuned by Diesel Flock flew overseas, and it's gonna make somewhere around, I'd say the 3,000 horsepower on 93 pump gas, stock, bottom end, stock. We ain't taking the valve covers off this motherfucker. All we do is put 2 twin turkeys about this high, 110 millimeters, and we're gonna send this motherfucker. We're gonna break the sound area with this motherfucker. NASA and the Air Force and Tesla ain't gonna have shit on us. We're gonna take flight with this motherfucker. Ski doggy. Ski doggy.
Time to get paid. Stayed up midnight, counting cheese. Paranoid, overthinking cheese. Say your life ain't the same way it seems. Time to get paid.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some mods to my boy's new Corvette C7 Stingray that he just picked up about 3 weeks ago, kind of almost a month. He just bought like a good amount of parts, so we're going to go ahead and do the first thing that he got, which is the taillight install. So that's what we're going to knock out, and yeah, let's get into it.
Ooh.
Yeah, boy.
Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
Much more nice right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look about the sun.
Try the Aventador style lights. Oh, that's gonna look good. Oh, that's gonna look good.
Yeah.
Compared to the stock C7 lights, which they look nice, but those are gonna look amazing on this car. Yeah. We're professionals. We know how to install this. We know how to install these taillights with no help. Yeah. So for the install for the actual taillights, you got to take off the rear bumper. The whole rear bumper has to come out. The taillights are actually attached to the rear bumper. So
also, I recommend a plastic tool kit so you
trim
don't
removal.
scratch your paint.
Yeah, if you like your car without scratches at least.
This was like, I think $7 or $8.
Perfect.
Is that just a 6?
You already know. DLS.store. Enter for your chance to win a GTR or a 5th Gen Pro Charge Camaro. Link in the description below. Every $1 spent is 1 entry to win the cars.
Dirty under.
Don't worry about dirtiness.
Yes, we gotta pop this off. So I'm gonna put painter's tape around this, and we're gonna use these pry tools.
Does this just pry off?
Yeah, it pries right off.
Okay, bet. Alright guys, so like you heard from the man himself, we gotta pry this off, and there's a screw that will hold the, I guess, the rest of the bumper in, and then we'll be able to take this part off, of course, after we got the T15s and the actual bolts that are underneath. Yeah. What is the purpose of the tape, sir?
It's so we don't scratch the paint.
Oh.
And we're prying the piece off. So I'm gonna use this, one of these remover tools.
I can tell you something though.
I'm kinda liking this.
It ain't me, brother.
So what you're gonna do...
You don't have to put tape around the whole thing, you're just gonna do it there?
As long as you can get it started, it'll come right off.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna get it started at the bottom. Probably gonna need a flatter.
Yeah, I was about to say
this is
thinner,
flatter.
thinner piece.
Yeah, this will do it. Just gotta get a hold of it. Oh no, I can't use that phone. We'll make this work. Oh, that's scary.
There you go. Okay,
See,
that's pretty simple.
It's pretty easy. Just gotta try not to scratch anything.
All my clothes want some damn pit vipers. I'm like, you don't need no damn pit vipers.
Oh, did she see Kara's?
They are.
Did she see Kara's?
She's got them on.
Yeah.
Look.
Where in the hell did you think those glasses were a good idea?
I didn't buy these.
I know, but why do you want some?
They're cool.
I don't know about that.
It's like my
Oh my god, that is a beautiful statement actually. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
So just a cover piece. Did we break any clips?
No, we did
It's
not.
the real test. Perfect.
I don't think.
No clips were broken in the making of taking this out. Wait. Yeah, no, we're good. I guess it's just intricate. You'd see them.
Okay. Yeah,
And
we're
then-
good.
Bro, let's just leave it like this. It looks hella cool.
Yo, let's the air out.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, it should be the last bolt right there. It's holding the whole bumper, so crazy. It's crazy to think like how they engineered it, to be honest with you.
Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we'll get back to you when we get done with that.
If son of a bitch, that is bright. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are enjoying the content. If you are, leave a like and subscribe to Too Slow 62.
Also, if you want to see Broke Z01 get gapped in 8th Mile by a 03 Cobra, you need to go under his latest video.
click on the
Go under his latest. He is a lady because he drives a Z01. But go under his latest video and comment gapped by 03 Cobra, and I'll make it happen for y'all.
Now it's ready. Don't forget, you got two 10 millimeters right above your exhaust. I forgot about that, so don't forget that.
Words from the wise man of the Corvette.
Words from the Corvette owner.
How does this look?
That looks really good.
Should we keep that? Should that be the thing? What is it called?
Intro.
The thumbnail?
Or thumbnail.
Alright guys, so we got the bumper off. As you can see, Corvette looks kind of wild. Looks pretty freaking crazy. There's a bunch, and I mean a bunch of clips and just wiring for the lights and all that we had to unplug. That kind of took forever. That y'all probably saw in the time lapse that I did, but we did get it off, and she's laying right over here, all safe and sound. And like I said, the taillights are actually on the bumper, so that's why we had to remove the bumper. So now we can get to work to take off all the bolts and stuff like that and just replace it and put the bumper back on and see how it looks.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3. There's 4 bolts that go on the back of the taillight. So you just take those out and it should come right out. That's all of them. So then you just, yep, comes right out. Just like that.
Out with the old, in with the new.
This gonna look so good, man.
Dude, I swear. Those taillights actually look really nice.
Yeah, but I mean, they're that.
This looks amazing.
And especially being on that color. Oh, it's go. I mean.
Alright guys, so we got the bumper back on. It was just a very big hassle to put all this back together in the same way it came off. So that's why we kind of haven't picked up the camera since then, but everything's put back together now. And as y'all can see the new tail lights, we haven't put the bezel that's around there yet. There's actually a new light right there that gets plugged into that piece right here, which is the bezel around it, which is actually the reverse light. The reverse light goes right there, which is kind of cool. But yeah, there's the tail light itself, the Aventador style. Looks so good, all blacked out and everything. So we're gonna put those in and test it out and see how it looks. Alrighty guys, so the tail light install is completely done. As y'all can see, we got the housing on and everything is sitting flush and it looks absolutely amazing. It matches everything on the car now with the diffuser and everything blacked out. Like I said, it's the Aventador style tail lights, and in my opinion they look absolutely and very well worth it, to be honest with you. And it looks really good against this color on this Corvette.
Oh my gosh, that's. Oh! Damn, those bright.
Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. Tail lights look amazing, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all to keep an eye out for the future videos with this car because he's got a few more things that we're gonna be doing to it. Maybe the next video, by the time the next video comes out, we'll have everything already on it, and that'll be the next video that comes out. But stay tuned for that. Like I said, tail light install was quite hectic to do with the whole bumper removal and everything, but we got it done and it looks amazing. So we're all happy. So y'all be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like, comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.